Here is how to cook my super adobo. Simmer pork in water. Remove the foam. Add the soy sauce. And add the vinegar. Stir well. Add 1 bulb of garlic. Add the black pepper. Add rosemary, add thyme. Stir well. Cover, simmer, and occasionally stir until fully reduced and oily. Plate, serve, and enjoy. Hope you like it.